Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Friday. How's everyone doing today? We got our chai latte. We got our charts. Bitcoin's looking beautiful at this moment. Let me clear some of this crap off of here. Very nice. Nice little bounce to the upside. Continuation. You'll love to see it. Green watch list. Looks good. Looks fantastic. All right. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way in. Everybody, happy Friday. We are ready. Let me get the webcam on. Hey, how's everybody doing? Happy Friday. Super chill. We're chilling. It's Friday. You ain't got no job and you ain't got shit to do. All right. Bitcoin currently trading at $84,349. Philly said, when is the daily close now? Still 7 or 8? It is 8 p.m. now. 8 p.m. is the new daily close thanks to daylight savings. Thank God. It was so early. It's so early during daylight savings, man. It's crazy. It feels so good to like actually have a day now. I still want to start my stream at the same time every day though. It's weird. It's a weird urge that I have. Bitcoin trading at 84,386 and 70 cents. Let's update our liquidation heat map and see what's going on. We go to simple and 12-hour. Zoom. Guys, today we're going to pick the winner of our contest on X. So if you have not entered, go ahead and do that. It is the pinned post on my X, I don't know, what do you call it? A profile account. All right, let's see. We got pretty tame, actually. Pretty tame. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just very evenly spread. 83,470. And then we got right above 85 even. And then we got, let me just go all the way up to the top. 86,004. So that'll cascade all the way up there. If that happens, I assume. And then let's just go all the way down here. 82,070. Okay, so it's about evenly matched. It looks like we can maybe go 82,603 right there for a middle point. And then one more right here. Let's go to this one. 83,070. Okay, yeah, so there's a lot more to the downside than there is to the upside, it seems. But we'll keep an eye on it. The upside, there's a big wall. And we're getting a lot of downside wicks, which tells me people are buying. People are loading up. Bitcoin dominance currently trading at 61.88%. It looks like it's getting rejected off of 62% again. Tried to make one last final run for it, getting rejected. It is holding support at the orange trend line, though. Would love to see it break below and then finally just give up and take its leave to the downside. This may not have been a triangle like we thought it was. This might just be an ascending channel, which is bearish because those break down. So we'll keep an eye on that for sure. ETH is up 3.15%, still trading before 18 and or between 18 and 2,000. So keep an eye on that. It does look like it's holding above 1900 very nicely. I would love to see it close above that and make another run for 2K. Sol is up 8.85%. Sol is kicking ass today, looking good. Got a nice bounce, nice trades really in between the blue trend line and 125. Decent chunk of trades you could have made in there. Got a nice break above 125 and now it's making its way back up. Probably going to be a psychological level right I don't know, 135? 135 looks about right. Break above 135 will probably result in some decent pumpage, but you got to get a close above that with conviction. Total 3 is up 2.94%. Looking good on Total 3. We did move the fractal yesterday. We did move the fractal. But so far it's looking pretty decent. We might get one final little wick to the downside even. And then a continuation to the upside and just non-stop pumpage from that point forward. Maybe early May get a little pullback that everyone will freak out about, I'm sure. 10, 20% pullback. Rejection off of 1.13 maybe. Break above and then break back down below. I don't know. We'll have to see. Money said, yo, what's going on, Money? Werewolf Cat said, crypto's back. I'm back. Hell yeah. Philly said, I'm not banking on anything till we back to at least the 90Ks. Yeah. I mean, everybody's got a plan, man. Everybody's got a plan. But Total 3 is looking brilliant. We drew this purple trend line off of these previous levels. We rode this trend line. We got a pretty decent sized rocket ship to the upside. A little double top action. A little pullback to our trend line, and now we're going to blast off again. Let's hope that's what happens. I'm holding out hope. I got my fingers crossed. Let's see where we go. Cardano is up 5.52%, looking great. Nice bounce off of 0.681. Little double bottom action potential. Maybe even a inverse head and shoulders. The right shoulder's a little further from the left shoulder, but that's no big deal. We'll keep an eye on that for sure. I would love to see this break above 75 and continue to the upside. Until then, we're going to keep an eye on it. SNEK is up 7.6%. This SNEK I've been watching has a beautiful inverse head and shoulders pattern. And I really want to see it break out and hit the target of 42. As of right now, it's currently sitting at 34. I am placing my bet on SNEK. Always have been. XRP is up 4.74%. Really nice double bottom on XRP. Beautiful market structure. A little bit of resistance at 257. At the moment, it's chilling at 235. Not a lot of resistance in between here. Could make a run to 250 with not much resistance. Break above that should result in some decent upside. HBAR is up 1.61%. HBAR is struggling a little bit. But we do have like a double bottom scenario playing out. So, and this is a higher low. Would love to see that trend to the upside. The structure is there. You got a W into an M into a W. The structure is there. And the structure prevails almost every single time. So let's see if we can get HBAR back into our little accumulation zone above 26 cents. As of right now, it's at 19 cents. Chilling. Currently setting a lower local low. But if you zoom out a little bit, you see that it is a higher local low. So it's all a matter of perspective. We got green dot confirmed as well. So that's exciting. SWE is up 8.36%. Looking good. Break above 223. Potential double bottom action as well on SWE. Nice support at 206. Probably just 2 in general. I want to see this break back above 250. Get a hold above that. Like maybe retest with conviction and continue. And then keep doing that. I just want to see this thing keep breaking levels and then blast off. Like I said before, once SWE broke above 224, it was go time. There was no support established, no volume established. It just went crazy. Now it has officially established a ton of action, a ton of support, a ton of volume at those price levels. It has set the foundation for it to continue to the upside without shaky scaffolding. Think about it. Think about it like that. All of these cryptocurrencies are trying to build their ladder. They're trying to build their scaffolding to higher prices. If they just put down one pole and they climb the pole really quick, they're not going to have a lot of foundation to build upon once they get up top and they start building horizontally. There's nothing below them. You can't build a house on top of one pole. Does that make sense? So these other ones that build slowly and they establish their base, sometimes you can't help it. Sometimes the pole goes up and you climb up the pole. So you got to go back down and you got to rebuild, like you got to build the scaffolding horizontally and then you can continue to build up from that point. That's a good analogy. I like that one. We're building scaffolding. Ondo is up 5.65%, looking good. Nice double bottom, higher low. Broke below 80, got a nice retest of 72. Beautiful wicks, a lot of buying power here. Looks like 77, 75, I don't know. 80 held nicely. Got a nice bounce off of that. Broke above 84. Retesting 90 at the moment. Want to see a break above that with conviction. Close above it. Continuation to the upside. That's going to be a decent size resistance because we got a lot of confluence there from current local price action. Arrow is up 3.48%. Looking good. Potential double bottom. We will have resistance here as well. Same concept. A lot of conviction, or not conviction, a lot of confluence from recent local price action. Render, up 7.89%. Render is making a monstrous move. It did break below $3 for a minute, held, it looks like 270, and then bounced off of 280 and used that to get above 3, and it's now currently trading at 319, holding above 3. I want to see this thing shoot up towards 350, break above that, and continue. 350 is the big level for Render. Polkadot up 5.73%. And really nice support at 378. No problem at all. Held the whole time. Broke back above 4. Now it's at 421. Nice. This might be Polkadot's big resistance level with the local previous support turned resistance now. There's a decent chunk of confluence there. Same kind of concept. Once it breaks above 420, it's go time. CAS is up 10.56%. This would have been a beautiful buy zone. This break below this yellow trend line. Loading up there seems to be the move to make at the moment. Is it going to reject off of the orange trend line and continue to the downside, or is it finally going to break, retest, and continue? Or maybe even not even retest. Maybe it just goes crazy. I don't know. We'll keep an eye on it. Let me check the chat really quick. We got a lot of green dots confirmed on CAS as well. Money said, are you ready to lose again? Hoff said, Money, get drunker so I can win tonight. Money said, okay, see you later. Excuse me. I had to take that as a sign to drink more Red Bull. Okay. Hoff said, lose, not loose. Billy said, I sold my suite a loss a couple weeks ago to buy more XRP. Jim said, when moon? Jim, hopefully right now. Hopefully right now. Guys, pile in, smash the like button, share the stream. We are announcing the winner of the Twitter giveaway for my 100th selfie, my daily selfies. So if you guys have not participated, you still have a chance to participate. It is pinned on my X profile. Go check that out. Chance to win 69 ADA. Avalanche is up 1.24%. Avalanche struggling a little bit here. I do see a potential inverse head and shoulder on Avalanche. It is back above the orange trend line. Kind of similar situation to Caspa. Not a lot of confluence up top, though. I'm not really seeing a prevailing trend here. It's kind of messy. It's actually very messy. Maybe that's it. That could be it. I don't know. If that is it, then we're currently at our resistance. And maybe we broke above it briefly for a moment up here. Broke below briefly for a moment right here. I'll leave that there. And we'll see what happens if we break above and we get some confluence there. Then that could be the upper trend line. Shrap is up 10%. Not surprised. This thing moves violently for some reason. Potential inverse head and shoulder on Shrap. I would honestly just call the neckline this 810. That makes it easier for us. Break above that. And retest and continuation would be lovely. But if I was being super technical, this is your neckline, and your target is allegedly, I like to be frugal with my target, 9. So, not financial advice. From 7 to 9, pretty decent gains, 25%. Not financial advice, though. Keep an eye on that. Potential trade there. Chainlink up 5.6%. Chainlink, I keep saying it, I'm going to continue to say it. Beautiful chart pattern. Followed perfectly everything that we've drawn out for it so far. We were estimating a breakout, solidify some conviction here, and continuation. It did not hold. It broke below and continued to the downside. So this is kind of irrelevant at this point. We're watching it right now. I'm going to stand by what I said previously. If it can get back above that pink line and solidify some conviction, we can continue to the upside. And then the next area I would be watching would be 2167. Doge is up 4.29% at the moment. Doge also has the inverse head and shoulder that everything else has right now. It's a little bit small, but we're on the 4-hour time frame, so we're going to excuse the size. Doge looks like it broke above and retested and is currently holding above. If that is the case, and it is to be believed bullish, potential target is 18 for Doge. It is currently sitting at 17.2. So 18 from here would be, I don't know, I'll just call it that, 6%. Not that great. I like the increased volume, though. This is nice. This little spike right here, beautiful. You love to see it. Polygonmatic pole, holding its weird yellow trend line that it's just recently made up. I'm not holding my breath for this thing, but again, I will happily be proven wrong and made to look like an idiot. I'm saying these things so that these things happen, but they continue to make me look like a genius. Unfortunately, Polygonmatic pole sucks ass and nobody wants to buy it. It is what it is. But would love to see it finally start to break some levels to the upside and make me look like a fool. Near, kind of the same concept. There's a lot of controversy with Near. I'm not really fully invested in the ecosystem. I thought it was a cool project, but the drama in the community is really important when it comes to crypto, in my opinion. And Near's community is kind of like fighting too often. And that doesn't do it for me. I will say it did have a inverse head and shoulder, and it did break out, and it did perfectly hit its target. So maybe this is a good one to trade. Not financial advice. Cool to see that, though. It literally broke out, retested, and continued. That's awesome. And last but not least, Chili's up 3.27%. It looks like Chili's maybe did the same thing that Near did. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe not. This is very, very sloppy. I'm grasping at straws here to make myself look good. Yeah, it didn't hit no target either. It's just janky. This one's too janky. But it looks good. It did break back above, what is that, 42? This lower trend line is the legacy trend line. That's what it is. So it did break back above the legacy trend line, holding nicely. The yellow trend line held as support as well from way back here. That's actually not even really a trend line. So, but it's cool to see. All right, and then silver got a lot of it pumpy today, 33, very nice. MicroStrategy got a little bit pumpy today. Beautiful W set up on MicroStrategy. So I drew out what happened previously with MicroStrategy. It had this crazy chop. We watched it, we drew the triangle, and then it broke out, retested, and then bam, went crazy. We're doing that same thing, I bet. It's just a different trajectory. This time around, if I drew this, let me just draw it. I'm going to do that. I bet you this is what's going to play out. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to make it a little semi-transparent, and we're going to leave it on there. That's what I think is going to play out. Maybe I can even... I can't. It's really hard to nail that thing right there. I'll leave the first one though. I bet you this is what's going to play out. The blue guy. The orange guy is what played out previously. This is kind of my my fudged fractal. DXY has been getting dumpy, man. DXY has been getting shat on so hard. NASDAQ got a little bit pumpy today. Beautiful W set up on the NASDAQ. S&P got a little bit pumpy today. Same thing. Beautiful W. We'll see what happens on Monday if we get a really big rip to the downside. A lot of talks about secret meetings and investors and stuff like that, trying to like push a deal, stuff like that. I think people are getting really comfortable with their money, and when stuff moves like this, they call it violent, because a 10% move in the S&P. I think that people are going to do everything in their power to undo, or maybe stop the damage entirely, and then just continue the slow grind up. 10% they cannot handle. Oh my gosh. So they're going to have all their secret meetings. They're going to pay all the people that they need to pay. They're going to make everybody happy. All the people in these other countries are going to meet, and they're going to be like, how do we make the United States happy? This is me. I'm totally just throwing crap out there. And everyone's going to come together, and they're all going to sing Kumbaya, and then our bags are going to pump to oblivion. And that is going to be the legacy that President Trump sets in place for himself. basically strong arming the entire economy of the planet into pumping our bags. I don't know. I'm just throwing crap out there now. This is hopium. Don't pay too much attention to me. Let's do a quick follow-up on our portfolios that we've built. Our Memecoin portfolio post Libra. This thing was originally invested at $1,000. It is currently sitting at $712. It is down less than $300, less than 30%, which is good. Being held up by With and SNEK and Pepe. Doge, not so much, and then Giga is really, really losing out. But it's recovering. It's recovering. It looks good. Our 1K to 10K Grok portfolio is sitting at $838, down just over $150. Looking good. We did invest this just at the pretty much the Pico bottom so far. Obviously, we've lost $150. ADA is holding everything up beautifully, only down $4. Same with Proppy, down $6. Ondo is next, Near also, and then Render, Aptos, Shibs, Sol, Doge, and AGIX kind of taking the bulk of the losses at the moment. But everything else is looking relatively decent. And last but not least, our narrative portfolio, which is Memecoin, real-world assets, decentralized physical infrastructure, gaming, and AI. One of each. We originally were at $500 with this. Am I right? Yeah, I think it was a $500 portfolio. Pepe is actually in profit. Mana is down $2. VeChain is down $9. Tau is down $11, and FET is down $12. That's pretty damn good. Wow. I'm kind of impressed. All right. Bitcoin currently trading at $84,214.76. Not a single liquidation hit yet. That green dot so far is proving to be a beautiful buying point. Let me check the chat. Jim Derringer said, rip anyone that thought Pi would pump on Pi Day. Started the day on the 4-hour with an inverted hammer, fake out into Red Death. Damn. I thought about taking a trade on Matic, but the volume just isn't there. I feel bad for Matic, man. They were going to change the world, remember? It's a Jubilee year. The idea of rate cuts for major financial institutions is no accident, in my opinion. Same with all the wild stuff Trump's talking about with taxes. So have you ever seen that card with the lines, and then it's like talks about when to buy stuff and when to sell stuff and when everything's like in between? 2026 is supposedly the year to sell stuff. That's going to be the year where everyone's in a ton of money, according to that weird card. It's like a random business card. It's like the 369 argument. Kind of starting to make sense the more you think about the timeline and how everything's played out. Shinamax said, yo, I'm here. Need link to pop. I thought you said link was like about to pop. I was excited. Link's really looking good, honestly. Beautiful charting on Link. Link been a limp you know what lately. Yeah, but it charts really nice. Limp or not, it follows the rules, you know. It goes out to work, comes home, it doesn't cheat, takes care of the kids. It's boring, but it's loyal. Lately. I like that you added that little tidbit. Yeah, everything kind of just looks just like Bitcoin. Bitcoin just was a little bit bullish, a little more bullish before. Now it's a little more bearish. I like this W setup, though. If you really look, this right here, this funky scenario, is literally just this upside down and bigger. So if you do that math, this resulted in a downtrend. This will result in an uptrend. I'm just saying. Not financial advice, though. You know. We got our fractal that we're keeping an eye on. This would be a bitch, wouldn't it? If we went back up and then just came right back down in like mid-April. Everyone would freak out. That's max pain right there. If we just keep chopping for forever, everyone's just going to give up. All right, we got one more. I think we got one more chart. This Bitstamp. Yeah, this is our range that we've been watching as well. Same concept. Mid-April. Retrace. Continuation to the upside. That would also be kind of a max pain bitch. Everybody, as soon as we hit 70K, everyone's giving up. And that was the perfect time to buy. Every single time. I really want to tell my mom that she should buy, but I don't want her to buy and everything go to shit. All right, let's see. Let's zoom back in. Jim Derringer said at least Link is doing 90% better than its competitors, who are presently in the shadow realm. Exactly. Shannon Max said fractal me. You wanna link fractal? Let's go take a look. So right out the gate, I'm gonna do this. Yep. Oops. And then I'm gonna pull this over here. Just see what this looks like. It might not look like anything, but let's see. This was kind of bear market. So if I go like the median right here, you do possibly have till mid-April, and then everything kind of bottoms out for a couple months and then blasts off. This move that we're currently experiencing is sloped down a lot more dramatically, which leads me to believe that it's going to happen a lot faster. There's a lot more money coming into the market. Look at the increased volume. So people are not as patient. They're going to scoop it up faster when they want to, and they're going to sell faster when they want to, which means the move is probably going to be a lot faster, a lot more violent, a lot less slouchy downside. If it is bearish and boring, I would look for next month to be the upside. I don't know. Just everything, in my opinion, points to selling being the dumbest decision you could ever make. But that's just me. This is not financial advice. That's just what I'm doing. Because I know if I sell, everything's going to go crazy and I'm going to feel like a complete idiot. I'm going to miss half of the good moves because they happen fast. They happen really fast. It happened to me way too many times last bull market. I would get all pissy. I'd sell half of my bags or whatever, or 90% of my bags, and then everything would go up like 60, 70, 80% in like one daily God candle, and I would wake up thinking, oh, I feel good today. I don't have any exposure to the shitty garbage market. And I would open up the chart, and it's literally off the chart, just a giant green candle to the upside, and somehow it made me mad. Because I removed all of my exposure, and I got to experience zero of that. Because I sold like 2 days before like a little bitch. I'm just saying. That's definitely not the way to play it. Chainlink's got a beautiful support trend line right here, this yellow line. And your worst case scenario is the green line, which is hardly even that much farther down. I mean, it's 18 to 20%. So if you're way overexposed, then you're probably going to feel that. But these moves happen. The bottom is usually the bottom. It's still following its trajectory to the upside. It looks great. I would say what we just experienced was this. You got this little spike, this bigger spikes, and then this giant monster spike. You just went through your bigger spike. You did your little spike, your bigger spike, and then your giant monster spike to the upside. That's my concept. Not financial advice. We'll just have to wait and see. Everyone's thinking everything's crashing and stuff. And then that's my other argument, which I think I mentioned yesterday. People freak out about the market. They think the world is ending. And they're like, I'm taking all my money out because the world is going to end. If the world ends, nobody gives a shit about money. What are you going to do with that? You know? All you got to do is be patient. Just be a little bit patient. History shows that patience wins. 99% of the time. But again, that's just me. Shinamax said fractal me. The crew said when pamp. Jim said saw a guy's total fractal going to 15 trillion. Seems a bit much. It might be. That does seem a bit much. Maybe that's the same guy that thinks that XRP is going to like 10K. Jim also said, then again, if you told me total would go to 3 trillion in 2021, I'd think you were nuts. A-hole said, hey, what's going on, A-hole? Jim Derringer said, what do you think of NKN, JJ? I will take a look. A-hole said, Bitcoin up today. Putin wants a Russian reserve. Hell yeah. Let's see what the hell NKN is. Nikon? The camera company? Oh my god. The hell is this? Come here, Bean. Why do these charts all look like crap? This is like Helen Keller charting.
Wow.
Jesus.
Really?
This one's ham. Should I check the ham chart? These look like shit. Hello? I hope this... Is this a coin? Okay, crypto. Thank you. Thank God. NKN crypto. Chart's not awful. It is making new lows. But it's not making new lows. Okay. So it had a monster spike, monster dive, chopped sideways for a minute, got down more, a little more. It looks like people are just giving up hope. I like that this happened and then it didn't go to 0 or back to its launch price. That's a little bit promising. This is a little more scary. You're literally right at support. If you break where you're at, then I would say all hope is lost. But that doesn't mean sell immediately. This is where you got to kind of weigh your risk reward personally and how, like whether or not you believe in the project. Because it might do this right here. I would have sold right here. This little break. I would have been like, oh, it's going back down. Fuck this, I'm out. And then it went crazy. Does that make sense? So you got to kind of weigh your options. Are you willing to hold it in order for it to potentially go down here? And have that potential reward of it not doing that and exploding? That's where the risk reward comes in. So it's got to be your decision. The chart doesn't look awful. It doesn't look great though. I don't think I would buy this just because it looks like that, but some people buy those coins and they make crazy amount of money. It's just not something I would get into personally. Yeah. All right, let's get back to Bitcoin. I'm liking these daily candles. They're looking good. We're getting some wicks to the downside, which is nice. Offset, SpaceX rocket launched. You could see it here. Nice. A-hole said I drew TRX today, and it looks like it may... It looks to be a May or June shot to $1 to $2. What are your thoughts, JGZ? Tron. May, June shot to $1 to $2. I'm 50-50 on Tron. I feel like Justin Sun gets the Charles Hoskinson's treatment, but I also don't know him. And I don't pay attention enough to have that great of an opinion on him or that negative an opinion on him. I just know that there seems to be some kind of manipulation with their numbers. I would happily be proven wrong, but Cardano didn't do this. You know what I mean? That's a little sketch. That's my only thing. However, yeah, I don't know. I do not know. You get this and then it peters out. You get this and then it peters out. It looks like it's a repeating pattern. Yeah, it's got steady growth, actually. This is kind of impressive. Maybe it's the first coin that isn't sketchy, and that's why everyone's standoffish. I do not know. You said May or June shot to $1 to $2. Oh, I don't know about that. These right here, this is 2021 to 2024. I would have called that your bull market. But that's what everyone's saying about Bitcoin right now too, so maybe I'm incorrect. Maybe it has its second run. It's still, the second run does seem to be consistently smaller than the first run. So, who knows, man? Who knows? I don't know. This is a confusing chart. $1 to $2. That doesn't seem feasible for the market cap. Oops. Tron. Where's Tron? Number 10? See, both of these, Tron and Pi, are both scams. Market cap is currently 21 billion, and you're looking at a 5x. No, I'm gonna say no. Not in that time frame. That seems crazy, but I'll happily be proven wrong. I just wouldn't place that bet myself. I like to compare stuff. XRP seems to have had all the perfect news at the perfect time, and they kind of set their 4D chessboard and played the shit out of it. They got fucked over by the SEC, and Gensler got fucked over by Trump, and now XRP looks like the golden child, and they're moonshotting up to flip Ethereum. I don't think Tron's gonna do that. That's just me though. Black Hat said top scalping indicators. I don't know actually. That's a good question. I don't scalp. I guess it depends on what your definition of scalping is. I like to trade the 4 hour. I set tight stop losses. I babysit my trades. I never leave a trade open overnight unless I completely forget about it. And once I have double digit gains, I take profits. If you ever see me have gains of like 20, 30, 40 or more percent, it's because I forgot about my trade. Usually once it's at between like 10 and 20%, I close and I reevaluate and open up a new trade. And I'm not always in a trade either. So I like to use the regular RSI and the Fu Manchu Cypher B divergences. That's all I use. I think there's stuff out there that works great for people that read it certain ways. I think that there's stuff out there that's really confusing and watered down, like over the top, just so you feel like you're getting value out of it and you're willing to pay a ton of money for it. But it's just a confusing mess. And I think maybe some people can read that stuff and are really good at trading with it. I'm not one of those people, though. Jim said HTX loves to pump Tron with leverage, so anything's possible. That spike is a nice leverage pump. I would like that move more if the entire flag wasn't a single candle, right? Yeah, it just seems like it consistently plays out and then falls short the second time around and then goes into a bear market. And maybe this time is different. But if it's manipulated, then I think that they accidentally manipulated it too early, which is really funny to think about. All right, guys, we got 10 more minutes until the daily close contest. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. If you are going to participate in the daily close contest and it is your first time, let me know, and I'll go over the rules. Biggest thing is probably including some letters with your numbers because YouTube filters out the guesses majority of the time thinking it's a phone number. Bitcoin's currently trading at $84,132.72. Jim said Gate and HTX are notorious for manipulation like Binance. Binance, I think, is going to get in trouble maybe with Wintermute, all the Wintermute stuff going on. All right, let's see. Bitcoin dominance, 61.85%. It is breaking below the orange trend line, which is nice.
You want it poured in the big cup?
No, just leave it. Just leave it.
Just leave it on the counter?
Yep. Total 3.
Alright, I'll be back when you do the...
Okay. Total 3 is going to close, I think, in a indecisive candle, which is interesting. That would be the second one in a row. Very flat price action on alts. I wonder, we've watched every single time when the market closes on a weekend, at least recently, the leverage kind of mirrors itself. It doesn't look like they're doing that anymore, which is really interesting. It seemed like they would mirror the leverage. Like up here, this would look identical to down here, and they don't seem to have done that this time. Whenever they did do that, the price would stay in that small range the entire weekend. So I'm very, very curious as to what's going to happen this weekend with that being not the case this time around. My brain wants to theorize that they're setting up for a move to happen during the weekend. And, call me a conspiracy theorist. I have a feeling that they're just manipulating the shit out of the market because they can. The powers that be. And they're probably extracting a shit ton of liquidity. Regardless, we can use that to our advantage and make money, or we can just sideline ourselves and be victims for the rest of our lives. Not financial advice, but I know what I'm doing. Bitcoin 84.56 even. We got 7 minutes until the daily close contest kicks off. Jim said Gates probably the most active one out of the three in pumping tokens on its platform, though. That's interesting. You can look at the volume if you go to CoinMarketCap. Then again, I'm sure this is I'm sure that they can decide what volume to show or not. You know what I mean? Where's the exchange option? Am I crazy? Exchange is right here. Spot. Oh, it would be derivatives though, wouldn't it? No, it would be spot. But they don't have futures? Because I'm sure futures is completely different from spot. For trading volume, yeah, see, Binance has so much more volume. HTX is number 2 though. This B4E and Binance, they're probably making shit up. Yeah, look at these goofy ass charts. Coinbase, SuperX, MXC, OKX, FameX, Crypto.com, BitGet, Pinex. Interesting. I wonder how hard it would be to use, let's say, OKX and kind of mask the entire platform as your own. I wonder how many of these exchanges just do that. Look at this ZSEX exchange. That was messy. It's definitely interesting to see all of these names change every few months. It's kind of crazy. I don't know, man. Black Hat said, is Puis bearish? Let's actually go take a look. Oop. I should have bought that. That shit was so funny. Puis. Oof. Okay, that does look like a Head and Shoulders right out the gate. That was pretty obvious. But that doesn't mean that it's bearish. A lot of the times we'll see a Head and Shoulders or inverse Head and Shoulders, and it looks one way, and it just, the market does not care. It does not obey the pattern at all. The Head and Shoulders are very iffy. It does look like it broke below. Potential, I like to be frugal with my targets as well, because majority of the time they don't hit. Potential target 36 if that breaks out. So what I would want to see is a break, a bearish retest confirmation, and then a continuation. Now it might not do that. It might literally do this. Majority of the time I've seen it do this. When it disobeys the bearish chart pattern, it goes crazy to the upside. Breaking a bearish chart pattern bullish is more bullish than breaking a bullish chart pattern bullish. You do have a pretty decent uptick in volume right here, which is good. You had the same pattern right here, and it did not care. You had the same pattern right here, it did not care. You had the same pattern right here, it did not care. So that's up to you to decide. It looks like it kind of repeats that over and over again. Maybe that's bots just kind of duking it out with one another. The prevailing trend is up, but that could signal a potential for a pretty decent sized retrace eventually, and then further upside. These are all things that you got to take into consideration. None of this is financial advice. Let's see. Yeah, man, I don't know. I do not know if it's bearish. It is interesting that that target is pretty close to the bottom. That spike in volume is kind of dying off. Yeah, I don't know. Just keep an eye on it. Is this available on any exchanges? Does Puis have futures yet? That's what I was just asking, Jim. Let me check. If it's on BitUnix or Ourbit. Oh, shit. I just pressed the wrong button. Son of a bitch. Okay, it is not on our bit. Let me check Bit Unix. It is not on Bit Unix either. So if it does have futures, it is not available to me specifically. All right, we got 2 minutes remaining for the daily close contest. Let me get the heck out of here. Go down to my 1 minute chart. Jim said because she looks sickly and I like money. Jim, you should sign up. You should sign up with my affiliate links, Jim. All right, let me check the chat. A-hole said, have you looked at Bitcoin between May 2010 and Fed 2011? Very interesting. Wow, that sounds ancient. A-hole also said Bitcoin's price never broke above 40 cents per Bitcoin in 2010, but did manage to hit that level in early 2011. Then in February, it crossed $1. Just a few months later, in May, it exceeds $8. Damn. Jim said Weeks. That's such an awful name. Has futures, just checked. Okay. Oh, that's our 1 minute mark. We got less than 1 minute remaining until the daily close contest. Today, I will remember. If you are not familiar and you want to participate, let me know and I will go over the rules. Sometimes my brain thinks faster than I can speak. Okay. Cheers, guys. Happy Friday. After the daily close, we will reveal the winner of our Day 100 contest giveaway on X. We got 13 people watching, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Oh, Money submitted hers a little bit early. Not yet, Money. You're going to have to resubmit in approximately 8 seconds. I can see it, but you're going to have to resubmit. 3, 2, 1. Now you can go. All right, guys, get your guesses in for the daily close contest. Don't forget to smash the like button as well. We got 10 people watching and only 7 likes. Come on, guys. Woo! There's no trades right now, man. It's kind of boring. And keep an eye out. I like the green market, though. I really do. I'm a little bummed that I didn't have a trade open overnight. Like a little bitch, but it happens. You guys are wasting time. A whole minute's gone by. Thank you, Money. There we go. We got Money and Fahid. Very nice. We got 4 minutes remaining on the clock. Bitcoin currently trading at 83,996 and 16 cents. Okay. Ooh, chicken and rice sounds delicious. Damn you. Cows. You guys eat all kinds of shit over there, don't you? Okay. We got Jim Derringer. Yeah, sometimes you might just be able to add words. Oh, God, you guys are starting to type in Morse code and shit. Okay. Oh, shit. Chad Jacobs. Hello. Oh, I'm pressing the wrong button. Wow, that was embarrassing. 883 K 800. Okay, cool. Black Hat submitted his guess. I'm just new to crypto. Well, welcome. You picked a good time to join, I feel, personally. It's never too late. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 entries. 4 entries remaining. Less than 2 minutes left. Jim Derringer said, don't YOLO your entire portfolio into anything. Best advice. Yeah, definitely exercise patience. You don't need to trade. If you do, you don't always need to be in a trade. And if you are going to play with leverage, start small. Not financial advice. I would recommend staying away from leverage. But if you're going to insist, then just treat it like a scratch off. Like only buy the $20 scratch offs when you're like a filthy rich retiree. All right, A-hole said 843.1.09. What? Copy. All right, we got less than 1 minute remaining. Okay, I think we got 843.2.09. I got it. Okay, cool. You guys are psychopaths. What's happening? Oh shit. Okay. Oh, what have I done? $24 seconds remaining on the clock. Offset 1 minute needs to bounce. Bounce. Waiting patiently. Ryan has put them in order. Oh yeah, time's up. Oops. I'm taking my time, guys. Okay. What just happened? Oh, there it is. All right, let me put them in order. Let's see, we got money 82, 84, 249. Let me not get dyslexic right out the gate. 84, 126, 84, 044, 83, 8, 84, 186. Copy. Okay, so this goes above Fahid. 83, 950. This goes above Ryan. Copy. 84,042. Copy. This goes just below Jim. Shit. And 84,321. Copy. 84,321. This goes below money. Okay. 83.8, 83.950, 84.042, 84.044, 84.126, 84.186, 84.321, 84.249. Interesting. I don't know how I fucked that up. It happens every single time, man. Every single time. Okay. 84.321, 84.249, 84.186, 84.126. 84,044, 84,042, 83,950, and 83,8. Okay, we are in order. We got 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining on the clock. Bitcoin seems to have stagnated in the price. 83,973 and 68 cents. If it closes here, Ryan will not be the winner. Black Hat will be. Interesting. Okay. what the hell? Okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm a little busy at the moment. I gotta get the I gotta make sure that the prize is ready. I forget to do this every single time, and then I gotta do it like a psychopath as fast as possible. And I think I'm good to go now. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. Okay, I'm good to go. We're good. Good, good, good. Let me get the heck out of here. All right. We got 1 minute, 8 seconds left on the clock. Let me check the chat. Let me pull up my other page. Okay. Hoff said falling wedge should go up. Why is price stuck here? It gets stuck every single time, man. Every single time. Hoff said whenever Ryan is here, it flatlines. Black Hat said, what will winner get? Okay, so if you closest, it's Price is Right rule. So if you go over, you lose automatically. Closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you win if you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, then you win $100 or merch. Just Have Fun said, yo, what's going on? What's up? What's going on? Just Have Fun. We got 22 seconds left on the clock. Hoffs is pissed. Bitcoin is currently trading at 83,967 and 16 cents. 969 currently. Ooh, it's so close. Here we go. 974. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, spike. Close 83,983 and 20 cents. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the daily close contest is Black Hat. Congratulations, Black Hat. Wow. Stole a win from Hoffs and Ryan. Very impressive, especially for your first time participating. Very cool. Congratulations. 83,983 and 20 cents. Closest without going over. Congratulations. You win bragging rights, and your name gets put on the board. Everybody, spam the bananas in the chat for Black Hat. Very cool. All right, let me zoom back out. That's pretty sick. Pretty cool to see new people win. Love to see it. Congratulations. All right, let's see. Black Hat, drum roll. Your prize is dun, 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 a can of spam. Congratulations, Black Hat. This spam will survive the apocalypse and any impending doom that we may face in the near future, according to the newly birthed macro economists on crypto Twitter. Congratulations on your victory. Let me add you to the board as well. Whoever wins the most wins for the year. It doesn't matter what wins they get. If they win the most number of times, they're going to get a special prize. Congratulations on your victory. Are you Canadian? Let me know in the chat if you are Canadian or otherwise. Oops. Congratulations. Offset, I know I'm going to pop right after. I know it's going to pop right after close. A-hole spam chickens. Money said I'm going to get drunk anyways. Nice. Ryan said canned meat. You have to tell us if you are. Yeah, you do have to tell us if you're Canadian. Yes? Okay, we got another Canadian. Dude, Fahid is going to be so excited. Black Hat is Canadian. Very cool. Hell yeah. You are the 3rd Canadian to enter the contest. Their forces are amassing. They're taking over. That's awesome. Hell yeah. What a legend. Somebody's got to tell Fahid. Hell yeah. The Canadians are they're working their way up the ladder, guys. They're gonna take over. They're gonna take over. They're gonna win the contest so many times. We're not gonna be able to keep up. It's gonna be disgusting in the most epic way possible. Why are there so many Canadians in crypto? Maybe they just have more financial freedom there. Cheers, guys. Cheers, Black Hat. Congratulations on your Canadian victory. Very cool. And your spam. Enjoy your spam. You guys are assholes. All right. Bitcoin currently trading at $84,075 and $55.78. Chilling. Looking like a potential green start to our lovely Saturday that we're working our way into. Very cool. Very nice. I'm excited to add another Canadian to the list of victors. It's about damn time. Let's see. Everything's pretty chill. I'm assuming Chili's. Whoa! Oh shoot! Chili's got a big pop right there. Somebody call Ian. I love how Ian and Hops just like switched. Okay, it's disappearing pretty quickly. Jim said Bitcoin's cool. I just have to side-eye all the world leaders suddenly jumping on the bandwagon. Oh yeah, they're all definitely weenies, dude. It's such a crap show. They just keep switching masks. My favorite is the meme of Mark Zuckerberg, where he's like all prim and proper with his like bowl cut sitting in Congress. And then the next one, he's got like his curly hair and he's got like the hippie hoodie on and he's like, did you see how the Biden admin suppressed us, man? That's messed up. I was cracking up because he totally flip-flopped like that, like so hard. It was so funny. That's exactly what freaking happened. A-Hole said 12-hour stream tomorrow. A-Hole, 8-hour stream tomorrow with the potential to go for 12 hours. We are going to set a financial stream goal as well to reveal my beautiful bald head for you guys. That's up to you guys entirely. It is entirely voluntary. Right now, though, I'm going to be revealing the winner for my day 100 selfie giveaway of 69 ADA. In order to participate, you had to have been following me, like and repost the post, tag 2 friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, as of right now, we got 73 minimum participants. I'm going to make sure I verify all of the information, but I do have what I need to pick the winner now. And we're going to use Xpicker, so it's completely random. I'm doing it live on air right now as we speak, and then I'm going to contact them via X off stream so that their shit doesn't get stolen. Let's see. Activate automatic prize. I don't want to do that. That's too much. All right, I'm going to have it picked. I got everything else in there already. Searching for a winner. Here we go. The winner's me? That doesn't make any fucking sense. Did I do it wrong? Winner from tweet by me? That doesn't make any sense. Did I fuck it up? Hold on. How did that happen? Winner count 1. Must follow me. No shit. Is it going to be random every time? Did it just happen to pick me? Is it going to pick me every time? Why is it picking me every time? Maybe I get rid of that? Does that make sense? SNEK! Oh my god. What a mess. What is this, man? Minimum tweet count. I'll do any. Maybe that's it. Pick a winner? Huh? Okay, I don't know how to pick the fucking winner. This is stupid. I'm gonna go like, I guess. What's the one with the minimum? Is it this one? Yeah, let's go retweet then. All right, pick a winner. Or I could do like and retweet. There we go. Indiglo is the winner. Total tweet engagement 508. Very cool. Congratulations, Indiglo. I will contact you after the stream on your victory. I will contact you. So if any of you guys or any fucking bot watching makes an Indiglo account and DMs me, I'm not going to respond. You're not getting their prize. And I'm going to belittle you until you fucking cry. Congratulations, Black Hat, though, on your victory for the Daily Close contest. Very cool. What a mess. Austin. What's this 8 or 12 pounds? What are you talking about? Brian said, how about you test the app first next time? I thought about that, but I didn't want to. I'm very superstitious. I didn't want to take away somebody's chance at winning because it got picked once. Put all their names in a hat and do it the old-fashioned way. Should I do that? I thought about doing that. There's 73 of them. I picked a winner already. That's the winner. The winner has been picked. It was the first one that wasn't me or SNEK. So that's what happened. Indiglo is the victor. Very cool. Let's see how the market's doing. Let me go contact this guy. Yeah, they're active. They're active. Let me DM them. Can I DM them? I don't think I can DM them. Notify. Yeah, I think they have their DMs off. That's pretty funny, actually. He's not even fucking following me, actually. Never mind, he's not the fucking winner. Okay, Boss Eric. Let's see if this guy's fucking following me. He's following me. Okay, this is the fucking winner. Look at this little fucking bastard trying to take somebody else's prize. Congratulations, Boss Eric. All right, let's see. Let me copy the tweet. All right, cool. They've been contacted. That other kid did not follow all the fucking rules, so he doesn't get shit. All right, let's see. Hoff said, gives his ADA people 69 ADA. I get a cheap mug. You didn't do anything, Hoffs. You lost twice. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. Boss Eric has his own giveaway. Shake my head. OMG. Does he? I already DM'd him. Too late. All right. A-hole said, you give many money coin, yes? Me watch long time, very happy. That's great. That's great. All right, guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the month, preferably before mid-April, because that's my birthday. I think we can do it. I believe in you guys. All right, let's see. Market's looking a little green. Very cool. Very exciting. HBAR is up 2.48%, killing it since the close. I like to pay attention to the coins that pump, the flavor of the weak coins, if you will. I'm suddenly a Caspa maxi. I'm just kidding. I keep telling you guys I love Caspa so much. No, for real though. Potential inverse head and shoulder playing out. I think that's exactly what's happening. Let me fix this. It's fucking semi-transparent now. Okay. So that inverse head and shoulder target is looking like 85. We'll see if that hits. That would be sick. I really want to see it do something. For the love of God, please, Caspa, do something for your holders. They're struggling. Offset is a-hole Asian? Oh my God. I can't tell if you're being serious or not. This is the same. This is the equivalent of whenever I mute my mic on purpose and and Hoffs goes, muted. We can't hear you. All right. let's see. There's not a lot to really talk about or do. It's Friday, man. Tomorrow we got the 8-hour stream, which has the potential to turn 12-hour. So make sure you guys tune into that. We are starting at noon Eastern Standard Time, which I believe is 12 p.m. Everyone's gonna show up here at midnight. Like, where the hell is he? The Heat said like the stream and subscribe. Oh my god, my birds are going crazy right now. They're going crazy outside. Jim Derringer said we should start a meme token. No, we should not, Jim. That's a horrible idea. That is an awful idea, Jim. So everybody tell Jim that we should not start a meme token. All right. There's not a whole lot to talk about. I don't know. I'm kind of at a loss right now. Yep. Cool. Okay. Oh, that's right. I have all my X articles to go through. That's what we'll do. Okay. So let's read through these bad boys. Apparently gold hit $3,000 an ounce for the first time in history. Everyone's losing their tits over it. It's really cool, especially considering the fact that the US dollar has deflated by like 4,000% since the inception of gold. So that's really neat that they're finally making up some of their losses. Pretty cool. Congratulations, Peter Schiff. You finally making some money. Michael Saylor is bull posting this crazy 2020 Bitcoin chart. Honestly, it seems pretty likely to me. Not financial advice, though. Jim said, send me your soul. We'll make a deal. I read the book. Jim, you can just pay me whatever you want to pay me. My soul wallet is... What? Where the fuck did my soul wallet go? I guess I took my soul... What? When did I do that? My soul wallet is actually missing from my description. Wow. Okay. I don't know then. I don't know what to tell you. You should out of luck. Then we have this really hilarious picture. This is the stupid face that I use in my thumbnails all the time. Which is Tony Soprano, by the way. It's a scene where he's like laying in bed and somebody's like knocking and ringing the doorbell. And he's like, get the door! And nobody gets the door and they keep knocking and ringing the doorbell. And he's like, get the door! It's pretty funny. Next, we got BlackRock. Apparently is buying Bitcoin again. They keep buying and selling, and everyone's like, why are you buying when BlackRock is selling? BlackRock selling Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin is not actually BlackRock buying or selling Bitcoin. It's BlackRock customers buying and selling Bitcoin, which requires BlackRock buying and selling Bitcoin. But it's not actually BlackRock going, oh shit, we're super bullish. Oh, we're super bearish now. Let's sell. Oh, we're bullish again. Let's buy. Why would the largest asset manager in the world be flip-flopping daily? That's silly. People are silly. Stop being silly, guys. Next, we got the SEC describing crypto role in the United States digital infrastructure. I believe this has been kind of debunked already as some random PDF that some random-ass dude uploaded to the SEC website. But it does specifically say Cardano best suited for academic credentialing, smart contracts for government services, and securing infrastructure management. Solana, used for high-speed blockchain applications such as real-time government databases, securing voting mechanisms, and digital identity management. XRP for state-level financial transactions, optimizing government payments and interbank liquidity. I think that this is actually inaccurate for all three of these, but I like that this is here. It's good for adoption. Next, the SEC states that Cardano is best suited for... Oh, yeah, this is the same thing. I'm sorry. This Sensei guy is tweeting again. Only 2 days, allegedly, until alt season now, according to this crazy chart. I think that he was the first one that I saw post this, but I could be wrong. And apparently, Twitter's broken. Nope, it's just taking... Now nobody cares. And there goes my mouse. And there goes my stream, potentially. No? Okay, we're good. Hold on. Nope, the mouse is dead. Let me see if the stream rug... Oh, okay, we're back. We're back. So there you go. That's pretty cool. I'm not going to click on anything else. Shit, I need to. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. All right, U.S. Treasury injecting $560 billion into the economy. German government has announced $500 billion stimulus. China is injecting 300 billion yen into its banks. Global M2 money supply is almost at new all-time high. Binance stablecoin reserves have reached 31.3 billion, a new all-time high. On top of that, DXY is crashing and bond yields are coming down. All we need is trade wars to be over and the crypto market will go parabolic. Not financial advice, guys. I'm excited. Black Hat said, what coins are bearish at the moment or maybe for next few days? I guess that's subjective, honestly. Next few days? That's hard to call because we did just like blow to the downside and potentially set up a decent sized bottom on all these charts. Where did all my lines go? Are they just not loading? Maybe they're just not loading. I think I have a RAM issue with my stream or my computer that I need to address. So I'm going to stop clicking in between so many things. But yeah, this guy's bullish. I'm excited. Next, we got Brazil announcing a bill to allow workers to take 50% of their wages in Bitcoin and crypto. This is massive. This would be sick. I know that Coinbase allows you to receive your paycheck via payroll, like direct deposited into your Coinbase account. That's like next level. But this is pretty cool for the entire like nation of Brazil to allow this. Next, we got Putin speaking on restoring Russian-American relations. He said that Trump is doing everything possible to reverse the damage caused by the Biden administration, and he confirmed he had a phone call with Trump and is willing to spare Ukrainian troops. And I guess now the ball is in Zelensky's court. This one I thought was interesting. I don't know if this is all necessarily true, but it does seem like Canada tariffs the shit out of the United States, and the United States is like doing a fraction of this, and Canada's like, you're attacking us. And again, I don't know if this is necessarily true, but it also begs the question. I know Canadians get really like taxed like fucking crazy. If the country's collecting this much money from exports already or imports, why are they taxing the shit out of their people? It kind of blew my mind. So I figured I'd share that. Very interesting. Cointelegraph posted, just in, retail Bitcoin holders with balances under 1 Bitcoin are selling off their coins, mirroring the capitulation pattern seen in late 2020. Today, this group holds 35% more Bitcoins, 1.75 million Bitcoin, than they did in 2020. So basically, number go up, holder go up. Those people are selling, which kind of shows you where we're at. The paper hands are paper handing. Next, we got Coinbase is excited to announce the Coinbase derivatives has filed with the CFTC to self-certify natural gas futures and Cardano futures, expanding their offerings in both energy and crypto derivatives markets. I'm not a big fan of Coinbase. I don't know what they even call it, leverage options, whatever. It's kind of goofy, but that's cool because they're like fully regulated and kind of paving the way for everything. Cointelegraph said BlackRock just bought 300 more Bitcoin. Now they have 47.9 billion in Bitcoin. Also very cool. And last but not least, we got global M2 is exploding. Bitcoin will follow soon. We are almost at that inflection point that everyone is kind of frankly relying on. So we'll see if that goes anywhere. Don't forget to congratulate Black Hat once again for his victory. Very cool. Congratulations, Black Hat. Absolutely killed it. Also, welcome to the channel. That's pretty sick. Bitcoin still green, currently trading at $84,205.06. Looking good. Let me check the chat. Jim said, send me your soul, blah, blah, blah. Don't lose your soul, bro. Black Hat said, what coins are bearish? Okay. Jim said, half the market still. F, can we chart the Russell 2000 IWM? Nice correlation to alts. I will try. My computer might actually die. I don't know why. I don't know why this happens.